Hello, I'm Dr. Kumari Ritu and I have scored a rank of 94 in the NEET PG 2020. I have done my undergraduate course from the Bangalore Medical College, Bangalore. I started my NEET PG preparations in my second year. I had joined the DAMS pre-foundation course along with my friends. Even though I had joined the course, I was going for the classes regularly and taking down the notes. I was not quite serious about it. And that was the reason I did not read the MCQs much. I did not solve the MCQs much, which I realized was a big blunder. However, I was taking down the notes and I used to go through them regularly before my semester exams and before the postings. So that helped me that I knew the important topic and I knew the important points of that particular topic, which helped me during my preparation years. My internship being quite hectic, I could not focus on the NEET PG as per se. However, I made sure I don't quite lose the touch with the books. Therefore, 1 hour a day or 2 hour a day, I used to go through those notes. My internship rank was around 19,000. Initially, I felt it's quite okay, but I felt disappointed when I realized my own batchmates have cleared that exam with very good rank. Though it was evident I have to take a drop, but I was like, I will not let this drop year be a waste. Either I'll get selected in Central Institute or I will get rank within 100. I think self-confidence and the ability to believe that you can get a good rank is very important for getting a good rank. During my drop year, I did not take any coaching class. With the help of my friends and roommates, whom I must be really thankful for, I made a customized notes of myself from Bhatia, DAMS, Prep Ladder, Marrow. And making my own customized hand notes gave me the benefit that I knew which topics were important. I color coded them with red color, green color in my own way. The last year questions, while solving them, I wrote quick question and the year along with that. Therefore, every time I was revising the notes, I was paying more attention to those important points and those important questions. I had made a routine and I made sure to stick on to it to the very last. Along with the mental work which we all have to do, I made sure to keep some time for the physical work too. For the exercise, which I believe is really important when we are sitting for almost 1 year with our books. We have to give some benefit to our health also. Therefore, 1 hour a day or 1 hour a day or 2 hour a day, I used to go to the gym or the yoga, and it helped me remain cool till the very last. One good thing I did was I subscribed to the pre-PG app in the month of April and I started solving the daily test. When I started solving the test, I used to get a rank of around 300, 400. With time, I became more and more competitive. I was like, now I have to get within 200. Now I have to get within 100. So what I used to do was, like, today's anatomy and I have to write the anatomy test. So morning, like around 2 hour or 1 hour, I used to read the anatomy, a part of the notes from the anatomy. And at night, half an hour test, I used to write it seriously as though I'm writing a real exam. What benefit I got from that was, in the pre-PG test, every subject gets repeated in every 2 weeks. Therefore, every 2 weeks I wasn't revising those subjects. Therefore, I did not quite lose touch with any of the subject. I realized at the end how helpful it was for me when I compared myself with my friends who were not into such a pattern of revision. I had my intention focused for the AIIMS and other Central Institute. The AIIMS PG was in November, and I had my first revision completed by the end of August. Revision in the sense like I made my own notes and gone through them once and solved the MCQs. The second revision was over by the end of October, and the third one was just before the AIIMS. To be frank, I got quite nervous before the AIIMS and I should not have been, which was the reason I got a rank of around 3500. it was really disappointing for me. Like, I did not expect I'll get a rank of 3500, because that rank was like I was not even eligible for the selection, and I was quite depressed about it for a week or two. However, I came back, I managed to get myself back, and I started focusing on the PGI exam. Somewhere because of some family wedding, I lost around a week's time for the PGI. However, since the PGI got delayed by 1 week or so, I got around 1 week time to prepare for the PGI, and my PGI rank was around 1 or 2. Good rank, still quite not good enough to get me to the branch I wanted. Therefore, I started focusing on the NEET PG 2020, and since JIPMER was not on my list, my NEET PG, I changed my strategy because of the rank for the AIIMS. I started solving more and more MCQs, focusing more on the high yield ones and the recent ones. I solved those questions from the pre-PG app. So pre-PG, what benefit we get it, whatever questions we do wrong, is we have to go through those questions again. So we are kind of accustomed to those answers and those questions because of regular and repeated revisions. The last grand test, which was all India based on some app, my rank was around 900. I was not satisfied with it because I had this aim of getting into dermatology in a very good college, and at that rank I was sure I'll not get into any good college. But I had some 20 days prior to the actual NEET PG exam, and those 20 days are the very crucial ones. People around us will be losing their minds in all sort of ways. Like, we have around 19 subjects and 300 questions, and the questions can come from any topic, from any line we have studied. Therefore, keeping ourselves cool is most important during that time. So I made a particular strategy. I had like made a timetable that this subject have to be finished in these days, and my study timing changed from 10 hours a day to 12 to 13 to 14 hours a day. I was focusing more and more on solving the MCQs, the recent pattern MCQs, the high yield MCQs. And whichever answers I got wrong, I made sure to not to repeat them, that same mistake again when I was solving the same MCQs. So sticking on to that till the very last helped myself keep myself cool. However, despite all this, what matters is the 3 hours of the exam. Therefore, taking a good sleep and keeping ourselves cool is very important while we are writing the exam. Take a good sleep, be relaxed while writing the exam. You know you have studied, you know you have prepared the entire year. Therefore, we need to have a self-confidence. We need to believe in ourselves and let our success make the noise. Thank you.